Now we are going to apply seismic loads. So go to define load patterns, type the load name here as seismic, select the type as seismic, and select IS code as IS1893 2002. Click on add new load and go to modify lateral load. Select the both directions here. As per IS code, we have determined the value of Z as 0.1, side type as 2, importance factor I as 1, and response reduction as 3. Then click on OK. Click on OK again. Now we are going to define load combinations. So go to define load combinations and select these load combinations. If the load combinations are not available, then go to add default design combos and select concrete frame design here and click on OK. Now we are going to set the load cases as dead load, live load, and seismic load. So go to analyze and go to set load cases to run and select this. Select the dead load as run, live load as run, and time history as do not run, and click on run now. The analysis process is done here. You can see the displacement values of different elements. So go to design further, go to view revise preferences and select the IS456 2000 here. Then click on OK. Go to start or design check. So the longitudinal reinforcement is available here for column, beam, and slabs. Just right click on here to see the details. So now go to design, concrete frame design, and verify all members passed. So we can see all frames have passed the design check. Now we are going to proceed with time history function. So go to define, go to load patterns, select seismic here and go to modify lateral load. So first we have to unlock. After unlocking the model, go to load patterns, select seismic and go to modify lateral load. Select only one direction here. After selecting X direction here, click on OK. So we are going to define, then functions, then go to time history. Here we have to select the option from file here and then click on add new function and select on browse here and select that file you have downloaded. For example, I have opened this file and select header lines to skip as 9, prefixes as 0 and number of points per line as 1. Then click on OK. So go to define, go to load case, and we have added here time history. So we can see here time history is added. Select the load case type as time history and select load type as acceleration, name as U1 and function as we have selected that file. and we have calculated the scale factor 1633.5, and then click on add. So click on OK. Now we have to analyze this. So go to analyze, select the load cases to run, and select dead load and live load as do not run, and let the all cases be run, and click on run now. The analysis is complete here. Then go to design, concrete frame design, select IS1456 and click on start design check. The designing process is done here. We can see the longitudinal reinforcement. So go to design, concrete frame design, and click on all members, verifying all members passed. So all concrete frame have passed the design check. Then click on OK. So here is the design of time history function. Now we will perform the response spectrum method. So go to unlock model, go to define load patterns, define the seismic load if already not defined, then click on OK. Go to define functions and select here response spectrum. Select the IS code IS 1893-2002. Select add new function. Here we have added response spectrum. So give response spectrum as name, damping ratio is 0.05, seismic zone factor Z is 0.1 and soil type is 2. We have calculated this from IS code, and click on OK. Thereafter go to options, go to display and check the unit of time related parameters as acceleration as mm per second square. Then click on OK. Then go to define, go to load case, here delete time history function and add new case. Type the name as response spectrum here. Load case type as response spectrum, and here load type as acceleration, load name U1, function as response spectrum, select, and scale factor we have calculated 1663.5. Then click on add. The second option appears. Then click on load name, click on U2, give the name U2, select response spectrum and give scale factor 1663.5. Then click on OK, and we are going to run the analysis now. So click on run analysis. For analyzing, go to analyze, set the load cases to run, and select dead load and live load as do not run, and then click on run now. I have done this. So the analysis process is done here. Let me show the option I have selected you at so set load cases to run as dead and live load as do not run, and then I run the analysis. So analysis process is complete. Here we can see the displacements. Then go to design, concrete frame design, view revise preferences, select IS 456 2000, then click on OK. Then start the design check. The designing process is completed, and then go to design, concrete frame design, and check whether verify all members are passed or not. So all the members are passed. In this way we have concluded the seismic analysis by response spectrum method also. Thank you.